welcome to another edition of Skincare Sunday. I hope you guys are all hanging in there with this stay-at-home order. So this is a quarantined Skincare Sunday. I'm going to show you how you can do your own medical grade chemical peel at home by yourself with a couple of products. These products are available to you through the clinic that I work at. We are currently closed, but we are sending products out to people if you are interested. I'm gonna leave the phone number to the clinic down below and you can give us a call and order these products and we can mail them out to you. So these two products are from the ZO Skin Health skincare line. They're medical grade, meaning you're not gonna find them on a shelf anywhere. They have to be purchased through a doctor's office. So the first one is the Daily Power Defense. This is a really great moisturizer. It helps support natural DNA repair. It replenishes hyaluronic acid and your natural lipids in the skin. And the second one is the Advanced Radical Nighttime Repair. This is a 1% retinol cream. So the protocol, you follow it for 5 days. And in the morning you want to cleanse. Then you want to do 1 or 2 pumps of the Daily Power Defense. And then on top of that, you want to do 5 pumps of the Advanced Radical Night Repair. Then you have to wear a sunscreen over the top of that. Retinol is very exfoliating to the skin, so it leaves the skin more susceptible to the sun's rays. And then at night, you want to cleanse your skin. Do 1 or 2 pumps of the Daily Power Defense. And then depending on how much you want to peel, you can do 5 pumps for a mild peel, 8 pumps for a moderate peel, and 10 pumps for a really good skin shedding. I started this 4 days ago, so I have 1 more day left. And I'm not peeling a ton. I'm following the mild peel protocol because I've got really oily skin, and I just did a chemical peel back in January, so I don't have a lot to shed. But if I get close, you can kind of see on my neck here that I'm starting to peel. I did have some skin flakes on the sides of my face that I washed off when I washed my face this morning. So the people that should not do this peel: if you are pregnant or breastfeeding, if you have melasma, if you have active cold sores, or if you have any kind of disease or infection or burn on the skin. If you have really oily skin like myself, you want to just follow the mild peel protocol. So if you're interested in picking up these products, because what better time to shed some skin than when you're stuck at home, give us a call. You can comment on the video down below if you need any assistance walking through the protocol. Otherwise, you can message me privately on Instagram as well, and I can answer any questions or be of any assistance to you. So I hope you guys had a great Sunday. Happy Easter too, by the way, and I'll see you next Sunday.